Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope that you're all doing well. Dear viewers, I am here again with another outstanding, fantastic video. I am super excited to share more about my raincoats collections with you. Dear viewers, you are watching the best and most beautiful transparent vanilla raincoat. This blue transparent raincoat is very gorgeous. Another purple raincoat is very elegant. These white raincoat are very beautiful and very useful to rainy season. The viewers, my video is to be end. Goodbye till the next attractive video. God bless you.